Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials: an email address, a secure password, and a phone for verification. Once connected to Wi-Fi on your laptop, open a browser and navigate to the Microsoft account page. This gets you straight into the sign-up flow. Click Create Account, enter the email you want to use or choose Get a new email address, and type a strong password that you can remember but others won't guess. Make sure to note recovery details. This saves time later. Now you fill in personal details: name, birth date, and country. These help with localization and security settings. Next, choose how to verify: SMS code, phone call, or use the Microsoft Authenticator app. SMS is quick, but the app gives stronger protection. Once you receive the code, type it exactly and proceed. Pick privacy and communication preferences so Microsoft knows what updates to send. After accepting the terms, your account is almost ready. Follow any prompts to finish. Finish by signing into Windows or Office apps to sync settings and OneDrive. This is why you created the account. Make sure to enable two-step verification in security settings for added protection, and link a recovery email or phone. If something goes wrong, stop and verify your internet. Ensure the phone number you entered accepts SMS, and check your spam filters for email codes. If verification codes still fail, retry sending the code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.